Okay, so now I am back. I blow dried my hair. My whole, like, I've never done this before. And I don't want to have like too much of my hair out because I don't see the point. So I'm hoping that I will know how to like lay the foundation for this. I know I probably need some stuff out at the edges because we don't want to look crazy. I just don't know. I don't know, y'all, what should I do? So let's just start with what we know, okay? I'm starting with, I know I need some leave out. Like, do I need to take this braid out? I don't got time to waste some of it. I'm so sad. It's okay. I want to try something. I want to see. Because if I brush it out, it looks like my hair. I'll be able to use these as my like clip-ins. Okay. Then I can add that. Oh, ding, 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 ding. Because I'm probably gonna have to do it like that. Okay, so we're back. We're gonna come up with a whole different method, and we're gonna go row by row, and we just gonna clip it on.
So I first started off by sectioning my hair just so I can know which layer is what. Super easy, super quick, and I'm gonna show y'all how I did it.
Uh-oh. Grip it tight, people. Hold it tight.
I was eating my gum, so don't mind me. I wanted to mute it just so y'all didn't have to hear that. But I just literally just got my finger. I didn't make any specific parts, and I made sure that the clip-in was matched from the left side to the right side without any accents hanging out from the side. So as you can see here, I'm trying to clip it on. And I'm not a professional, so we're both learning together, and it worked out really well, and it looks so natural. So keep watching. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you think, if you've done this before, if you want me to try some other extensions, because I think what I'm going to do next is I'm going to try a perm set on this instead of a twist out. So let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm just making another part just kind of above that one, maybe about an inch above the very bottom piece. I want it to look very natural. I just want to add a volume. So there is that, and I'm trying to show you a little bit in the back.
Period.
Okay, and we're back. So basically, I'm just showing y'all, I'm literally just getting my finger, going through, finding a place to where it feels empty in a good spot, and then I'm doing it. There's no specific like method that I have because I completely winged this because I just really like the way that it was brushed out. So yeah. And moving on, I'm just literally going maybe about an inch after I put each clip-in row. And I'm kind of just seeing what I feel, what I like, because my hair has different peak spots, so not every spot is like the same length. One side is longer than the other, all that good stuff. So I'm kind of filling out and kind of seeing. There were several different clips. Some extensions had 3 clips, some had 2 clips, and even had some 1 clip. So kind of just feel for where your hair is the thinnest at, and kind of go from there and just kind of get an even section around. Because with this hair, after you comb it out, but my hair specifically, it literally matched it perfectly. So
Right under here, so I can do middle.
and if y'all have any tips as well, let me know, because I'm going to reuse these clips because it was so cool, so easy the way that I did this hairstyle. So let me know in the comment section what y'all think. And yeah, keep watching. So after I took my hair down, I was like, okay, where do I want to add some more volume? And I usually have my part on the right side of my face. So I was just trying to get a feel for, hey, like which side would look best. And I just kind of went from there. I added some on the left side and the right side, kind of just to evenly distribute it. And you know, this is literally just kind of go with what you feel. I didn't want it too dramatic. So I wanted it to look like, boom, like, okay, like this is her, this is she. Didn't want it to look too crazy. So like you can see, like it literally, and you see the flexibility in the parting, like, because I didn't put it right at the front. I can switch up my parts and stuff like that, which was so freaking live. So keep watching. I'm gonna show y'all how exactly I did my twist out. I did want to add, after doing my hair, I realized that I really didn't need to flat iron it because I love the way it looked when it was already curly. Because I was just doing a quick twist out look. So you don't have to do this part. You don't have to flat iron it, but I just want to show y'all like the process of what I did. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up this 18-inch hair pack. So I'm just gonna get a few of these here just so I can fill up this top, because like all of this is like out and I don't. A little bit to the back. This is so cool. So here's when I started realizing that I really like the length of the 18 inches brush style, and kind of like flat iron a little bit, just because it's like really matched my length and like the type of texture from my hair being blown out and stuff like that. So I end up redoing parts of my hair to where, okay, where do I want the 18 inches? Do I want to keep the 20 inches in here? And kind of just did it versatile like that. So I would say if your hair is like similar to mine, get that 18-inch for sure. And then you can kind of test to see if you want the 20-inch, depending on how long you want your hair. And while I'm doing this, I realized that like really make sure that you're placing it kind of how you wear your hair. I didn't want to place it too close in the front, just because I didn't want to flash anybody with my track or my clip-in. So just make sure that you're keeping that in mind. If you want to have like that natural look, I say kind of put it back maybe about 2 centimeters behind your actual edges, and that really helps it look all natural. Micro links too, y'all. I am living right now. Okay, so I changed out a few clip-ins to like the 18-inch, but do y'all think it's too big? Like, I'm gonna get my good old Eden butter. I've never used this as body butter, so I'm planning on doing it. Okay, so get into that curl. We love her. What I will say, what I wish I would have did was start twisting my 3-strand twist like from the top of my head. I kind of just did the bottom of it, which you're gonna be able to tell at the top because it's more flat, but it still looked good. But I just wanted to say that, so whenever you do it, twist all of your hair rather than just the bottom of it, so it can really look big at the top. This is your sign to trust the process, because I was not expecting it to come out like this. I'm so glad. This is literally a rough draft of my hair. I didn't really take my time on it like I am for my grad pictures, but I just want to see if I could be able to execute it and consider it executed. Okay, then I realized some parts were like way too big for me. It was just kind of like really out there. So I ended up getting bobby pins, kind of make it look flat, more like natural to the head and the head shape. And honey, it's a giving. Okay, I just been playing in my head. So I was like, okay, I know I want to set this. So that edge control is a setter. Like, it's not gonna move. Your hair, it won't move. This is the final result. Let me know in the comments what y'all thinking. As always, I'm sending you positive vibes, peace, love, and prosperity.